What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Cameron here with another video. Today is part 1 of the trailer build series. If you guys remember, about 1 year ago, almost exact to this date, I made an introduction video on this trailer build. That did not start off right away because of a few things. One of them being the prices of lumber during COVID ended up skyrocketing. So today is going to be the first day that we start this project. We're going to go out to Home Depot today. Me and my dad here, we're going to go drive out to Home Depot and we're going to start on the deck of the trailer. That is going to be part 1 of this video here. And from there we're going to go probably walls, then roof, then cabinets, then electrical. It's going to be a multi-part series. These videos are going to come out every Monday and we're going to get lots of content for you guys. So let's get going to Home Depot. Alright, so we just got back from Home Depot. We spent about $420 for everything. We got, I'll show you, styrofoam. We got 3 pieces of this. Now this 3 pieces aren't going to be just for the floor here. This is actually going to be enough for the entire build, hopefully. So those were about $15 a piece. We got 4 pieces of 4x8 plywood. These were 1/4 inch thickness, so that's going to be enough for just the floor. And then we got 9 1x8s. We're going to need about 7 to 8 of them. I bought a couple extra just in case. Those were about $5 a piece. The plywood was about $48 a piece. And then 2 blades for 2 different saws. We bought a pocket hole jig. We bought 15 carriage bolts. The carriage bolts are going to be for when we go to bolt the platform down to the trailer. So these holes, existing holes right there, are going to be for the carriage bolts. We went and bought 2 packages of clamps, pocket hole screws for the jig, countersink bit, and some wood glue. That should be enough to get us going for just the floor at least, and then we'll be able to go from there. Hopefully we'll get the floor done today. We'll seal it on part 2 and then bolt it to the trailer on part 2 as well. So it's going to be mainly just building the actual deck today. So we are just getting ready to start up here. I just wanted to point out that all these plans and everything, build lists that we have here, is from a website called teardropbuilder.com. I just wanted to give them a little bit of a shout out, as this was not planned out or anything by us. We aren't going to follow this exactly to a T, but we are using it as kind of our rough estimate of how we're going to do things. But if you guys are interested in doing a build like this, highly recommend this website right here. They helped us out a big time and saved us a lot of work. Okay, so we have now cut our main pieces that we needed to cut here. We have 2 pieces at 60 inches. We have 3 pieces at 53 inches. And then we have 2 side pieces at 91 and 11/16. So we're going to put the frame together now so we can start putting our plywood on it. And then once we get one side of plywood on, we can start putting our insulation in. But yeah, we're going to start drilling some pocket holes. The pocket holes are going to go through here and connect to the side pieces, and then same on the ends here. There's going to be pocket holes here. They'll connect to the ends here. So we're going to get to that, drill some pocket holes, put everything together, glue, drill, and then we can start cutting the plywood to make that fit on the bottom side. Alright, now that we have the pocket holes drilled, we're going to throw a layer of glue in here and then put a couple screws in, and then we're going to do that for all of our corners. Corner over there, corner over there, corner over there. We're going to make sure they're square, and then we can do them to our middle pieces. We got 3 middle pieces, 1, 2, 3, and then that's our whole frame, and we can start doing the plywood. Alright, so we have the one side on now. We went ahead and stapled, or not stapled, but nailed them in with glue. And now we're going to put the styrofoam in. We're going to put styrofoam in each little area that you see here. And then we can put our final base on. And then that's going to be pretty much it for the deck. We just have to put a couple pieces on the front. They will hold the front and back here of the trailer. And then that's pretty much it for the deck. We're gonna hammer out the styrofoam, put on the top part, and then that's it. What is up, you guys? Day number 2 now. We allowed the top half of it to dry overnight with glue and a lot of weight on top of the top boards here. Now we just attached our end pieces. These end pieces are gonna sit on the edges of the trailer here. It's just to hold it in place front and back. Now we're just throwing on a layer of Gorilla Tape on our seams here. It's going to be a little bit more of a protectant to prevent water from going in there. And I don't think the sealant's going to cover that anyway. So a layer of Gorilla Glue. Then we're going to throw some Gator Guard as our protectant to protect from rock chips and a little bit of water. And then we let it dry for the day, and then we can bolt it down to the trailer. Alright, so I don't know if this is going to be a 1 or 2 part video because there was a lot of stuff that went on and I have not gotten to the footage yet. So we have completed putting down our protective layer down on the bottom part of the trailer. I'm going to let it dry all day. It's going to be, I want to let it cure for 48 hours before we bolt it down. That way we get a proper cure on this bed liner. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. This is Part 1, Episode 1. That's it for the deck. And it for this video. Yeah, if you guys want to follow this series, I highly recommend you guys subscribe, like this video. I'm excited to get this build done. This has been a lot of fun, a lot of learning, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember, every Monday this trailer build series is going to come out, so we'll see you guys next Monday.